Hello, welcome to PowerPoint Academy. Today, we will do a background video to your presentation. Let's start. Firstly, we will open the PowerPoint, then right-click on the first slide to choose a blank layout. From layout, choose blank. Then, from the Insert tab, you will go to Video. You have two options, either to bring an online video or to bring it from your PC. So we will choose video on my PC, and you will choose your video to insert, like this. The video will appear in your slide, and let's change the pixels to full screen your slide. Then you can insert any text, any picture. You will insert text here. Okay, let's write PowerPoint Academy and change the formatting of this. Increase its size, go to the Home tab, choose the format of this word, like this, and bring it to the center of your slide. Okay, the trick here is to right click on the video and choose send to back, so it will appear in the background of your slide. Then let's go to animation and choose animation pane. Then you will choose play to play the video and make it play after previous to be played automatically. And now let's do some animation to this word, or either everything you want to add to the slide. We will choose, for example, to fly in from left, and this word academy will choose to fly in from the right, for example. And then the first one, we will choose it on click. So you can't choose it after previous because it won't be played until the video is completed. So choose it on click to click on the space on keyboard, or click on the mouse to be appeared. While the other one, we will choose it with previous. Okay, and now let's show our PowerPoint presentation. After you click this, it appears at the top. And now, which is the end of our video. Please, if you like the video, like it and subscribe to our channel to watch our upcoming videos. Thank you.